Today's video is a DIY FYI, and I'm going to show you 2 shop tricks. Now, our first shop trick, I'm going to show you how to find the center of a board very quickly without having to divide fractions. Let me show you how this is done. You need a speed square. So what we're going to do is take our speed square like this, and we're going to strike a line. And we're going to continue that line from the top. We're going to continue our line from the top here. Okay, so we've got our line going through the center of the board. Now I'm going to take the speed square. I'm going to rest the end of my speed square right up against the center line like so. Now I'm going to strike a line. We now take the speed square, just going to flip it, and I'm going to repeat the process right here at the top. I'm going to make certain that the end of my speed square meets this line here. It does. Now I'm just going to strike another line. And what we have here, these intersecting lines right here, they indicate the center of our board. So that's how you find the center of a board very quickly using a speed square. Shop trick number 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this board here and I'm going to divide it into thirds. So what I have here is I have a board that's 8 inches, 21/32 of an inch wide. So an odd width like that, that's a fraction that's not divided quickly. So I'm going to show you a trick, show you how to do it very quickly. Divide this board into thirds. Now what I'll do is I'll take a tape measure and I'll place my tape measure at the top. Next, I'm going to swing the bottom of it until the bottom of the board lines up perfectly with the 9-inch mark. So when we do this, we pivot that tape measure to a number that's easily divided by 3. In our case, 9 inches. So we're going to mark the 3-inch mark and the 6-inch mark, and that is going to give us our 3 sections. So there we go. There's our board. It's divided into 3 equal parts. And what I'll tell you is this trick will work. Well, we could have divided the board in half, and it works on fourths and fifths and so forth and so on. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.